Hey, you die back here. You look better that way. Well, it's up to you how you want to wear it. Now come on, give me a hug. We'll buy a strawberry cheesecake. You know where at Jamaica you always want to try it. So I'm gonna get it for you. And this is the best coffee.
So when the dinner party will start?
Pretty soon. We just still want to spend a little time with you before we go at the yard day. So what go on for you and your boyfriend?
Well, if it's not really a big deal, he'll be too busy anyways.
You want to talk about it?
I don't even want to think about him or anybody else right now. I just want to relax and enjoy the mood. If that's alright with you.
Yeah man, that cool. We just want to say alright.
I'm alright as long as I'm there with you, Junior.
I feel the same way about you too, Diana.
Alright, we need to finish and eat so we can head to your granny house, okay?
You can't shut the baby there up, eh? Me don't want to hear that.
Oh my goodness,
Come on.
vulgar.
Always a baby on a plane.
Hey everyone, I'm back.
Hey, Junior.
Hello Diana, how's everything?
Well, good enough. Junior bring me one bakery. The food was really good. And the strawberry cheesecake, boy.
I'm the one that told him to bring you there. You see, your uncle's full of swag. That was our first date. And on that first date, I realized that she was the one for me. Sorry about the baby. It's really fussy. We can't get him to stop crying.
That's fine. I have to get used to that type of noise. That's right. Junior told us your mother was pregnant. Oh my god, it's such a blessing, isn't it? I love my baby so much. He's so precious. When the baby comes, you're gonna be such a great big sister. You're so beautiful. Thanks. This will be my first experience with a baby. I'm still kind of nervous about everything, won't lie. Don't worry, you'll be fine, just fine. Andy, maybe he's hungry. Where's Anthony? I'm not sure. Hopefully he arrives soon.
Alright, big man. Oh, he's still crying. Come on, just take the bottle, please. Take the bottle. Okay. Andy, I need to change the little boy diaper. I did that, but he's still crying. Well, Junior, I'm glad you're here, but I don't see your father. Where is he?
Hi, Mrs. Barnes. I'm Diana.
Wow. What a little girl favor, just like her mother. No, sir. He's right, you look just like Octavia. Oh god, Anthony had the biggest crush on your mother. Me say every day at school him give her him lunch money. If you buy 2 patty, he need love her bad. Had to discipline him feet too. He still continue to do it anyways. Him really love your mother, I won't lie. How is she doing? I heard that she's pregnant. How do you feel about being a big sister again? It's such a blessing. A child needs two parents. I wish Anthony did follow that suit.
Everybody's looking forward to it, especially Adam. He really wants a new baby. I'm glad it's a boy. I always wanted a little brother.
You see, your mother made the right choice to get married and have a family. Anthony married that girl and it didn't even last long. Oh, I don't know what I'm gonna do with him.
See, I told you that your hair looks better like this. You're the most handsome man I've ever met.
Thanks, but we'll have to get ready. My mother wait upon we and she can be a little crazy if we're late. She really prepare for that dinner and she want to be on time.
I completely understand. Besides, I already know that your mother doesn't like me, so I don't want to make her hate me anymore. I just don't know what I did. I tried being nice, but she just doesn't like me, Anthony.
No worry about mama, man. She'll get used to you. Not really too bad of yourself about that, alright? Just come. We really need to go up on the road. I'll be right there. I just need to get a drink.
Wow, aren't you handsome? Can I have one of those? Where's Rosie? The boss is looking for her.
Boss, Rosita some shit up on disability. Shouldn't work.
Oh, I see that you're Jamaican. Well, tell Rosita that the boss is looking for her and that she owes him a lot of money. She tends to lie a lot, you know, so you don't believe everything she says.
Oh, alright. Me make her know.
Please do. Later, handsome.
Alright, you ready now? Remember, say we have a long ride ahead of we now. So, just forward.
I've been feeling really good today, so I decided to cook for everybody. Adam, I won't lie, I really appreciate everything you've been doing.
Well, you're welcome, Octavia. I mean, you're a wonderful person. I just want to make sure that you are always comfortable.
You really have. Even my daughter, you bring Sheena in your life and you treat her as your own.
Well, Diana's a very sweet girl, so I don't mind. And Olivia loves her a lot. She's been a great addition to this family.
That is true, them get along so well.
And you've been an excellent wife to me. You're beautiful, you know how to cook. I mean, you're borderline perfect.
That's really good.
Told your grandma can cook.
She's the best.
Really the best. Really, really good, Mom. Thank you, son. Baby, did you put something
You
in
remind me of
there?
my grandmother cooking. She used
Just
to
call
cook
it
so
crack.
good.
I mean, it's so great. That's true, that's true.
Sorry, I have to use the little girl's room.
Yes, Diana, your grandmother was an excellent cook. She used to take care of Anthony when I used to go to work. Speaking of Anthony, I don't know where he is. I told him to come early. He never listens. His food is getting cold. I don't know why he's with that crazy girl. It gets on my nerves. Andy, can you please call him again when you have the time?
Oh my god, yes, right there. You do it so well.
Make sure you not take care of my baby, you know. Excuse me, everyone. I'll get some more wine for the table.
Daddy, can I have a Canada Dry?
Andy, Karen just called you. She's in the kitchen. Yeah, man, we'll forget the full scholarship. So we can go to, one of them good college there. Of course you get it, my grandson. You're intelligent. Thanks, Grandma. What the hell is going on? Dad, Karen, what the hell are you doing? And I know what it look like. I don't know what it look like, trust me. Me just did that. Me that help her with something. Andy, listen to me. Andy, you whore! Lord Jesus, Andy, don't do that, man. Don't do that. Listen, son, you need to calm down. Yo, what the hell I go on?
Daddy, why did you hit Mom?
I knew it. I just knew it.
Wait, babes.
This is so disgusting.
Stop.
Your
Stop.
own
Babes,
daughter-in-law.
listen to
I've
me.
put up with this for so many years, and I can't deal with it no more. Your son's wife. You have no shame. It's sick.
tell
Your
me
sick
something,
stomach.
Is it my baby?
No, it's your dad's. I'm sorry,
believe
Andy.
it is
It
me,
wasn't
Karen.
supposed to be like
How
this.
could you?
I apologize.
My father?
please. Don't be
That's
mad at
disgusting.
me.
Don't be mad at you. Are you insane? Huh? Are you insane?
Andy,
Are you
please
crazy?
Stop. No, don't.
Beat her Ross, Andy. Beat her Ross.
Andy, no, don't do it. Don't do it.
Shut your blood clot mouth.
Andy,
Yeah, where you
listen
go?
to
Where
me.
you go
No,
see
work
your
it.
girl,
Stop
eh?
it, son.
That's what you
Stop
do?
it. Honey, please. You'll make it worse, so stop. Lord God. No, sir. Lord God.
You ungrateful whore after your parents kick you out? And you come here, you trying to take my man?
But don't even just calm down, please.
No. Why are you hitting my mom? Why are you doing that, Grandma? You're such a bitch.
Oh, this little bright little girl. Don't talk to me so. For years I've been putting up with all of this foolishness. I've been trying to keep this family together, and this is only repay me by doing this in my own house and make it worse. You breed your own daughter-in-law. You are disgusting.
Mommy, why you sit down in the dark by yourself and what wrong?
You're never going to believe it. Your father breed Karen and all this madness. I'm tired.
Mommy, what you try to say to me? What you mean daddy breed Karen? You sure about that?
What? You think I'm deaf? She said it for herself, Anthony. The baby is your father's baby. This is so disgusting. Can't believe your father do this to me. It's so embarrassing. I don't even know what to say.
Mommy, you have to relax and calm down a little bit. Remember your pressure. No, mommy, start from the beginning. What exactly happened? What everybody did? Why you sit on the dark? I just want to get you to calm down a little.
Me for calm down? Didn't you just hear what I said to you?
Mommy, we need you to calm down, alright? What happened the last time?
Where have you been? Look from when you're supposed to be here. Why you never come? Eh, Anthony? Do you know how much stress me I go through, Anthony?
Mom, I understand the situation, but I don't want you to get sick again.
Me tired of this. Me just tired. Me can't do this no more.
Mommy, tell me what go on. Uno alright? Diana, what exactly happened? Please, mommy, tell me part of the story, but what exactly happened? Daddy, him really pre-caring for you? Man, me no know. Some man, me did up on the road look early, but fuck, me shoulda, me shoulda them. Me I gotta talk to Junior and try kinda ease him down. Which boy you did there? Traffic, Junior, traffic. You ever late for everything? Everything always about girl with you, eh? You can never focus on your family. Everything always about woman. You should have there for try for kinda calm down the situation and you never there. I'm so sick of your bullshit, daddy, me not lie. Ever since we there at Jamaica. Junior, me not understand how you try blame me for this. Like, oh, you for mad at me for what daddy do. Me not understand why you so vexed with me. More if you explain that to me. Why you so vexed? Just try talk to me, no son. Most want have a reasoning with you. Please, me no want you to be angry with me no more, alright? Almost can talk things out. What bother you besides all of this?
Junior, wait there. Can we leave now, Anthony? I can't take all this stress, okay? I want to go home.
Rosita, you know, see my family I go through them one thing. Have little passion now. Tell you so we should have left from the house early, you know, man. And you see? You know, like listening and this happen now.
You're really trying to blame me for this? Junior, I'm honest, don't stay vexed, but come here, come give me a hug. It's gonna be alright, okay?
Diana, can we just go downstairs?
Alright. I can't believe you're blaming me for this. What did I do?
What you do? You always take long and you never listen to anything I have to say. And you always tell pure lie that one other thing too.
I'm the one telling lies?
Yeah, you are the one that tell lies. Oh, come here tell me say, you're upon disability and not working, eh?
First of all, what I do for a living is none of your business.
Oh, so you work for you. So I guess you just tell lie for no reason. So what you tell me say upon disability for then, eh? Nothing what you say add up in a Rosita.
Why do you have a picture up of that girl in your room? That's what you need to explain to me.
What? I'm not have to explain nothing to you.
See, that's the problem. You're so full of...
Me full of shit? What about you? You lie about every damn thing.
I don't have to explain anything to you, Anthony, okay?
So really there's a cost me for, eh? Mad girl?
What?
Yes, mad girl. You're mad.
Don't you ever say anything like that. You are so disrespectful. How could you say something like that? I'm not crazy. You're crazy. You are so wrong. I'm tired of you.
Wait, what my phone there? Yo, who's by my phone there? Give me back my phone now.
See, you've been calling her number. I know it's her. I'm not stupid. That's your baby. That's your baby she's pregnant with, isn't it? You're such a liar. You're a liar, Anthony. You're always lying to me. And I've been so nice to you. You don't appreciate me. Bastard!
Adam, what's wrong with you? Why you so vexed? You want me to give you a massage? You feel tired?
So you're gonna play stupid with me, Octavia? I know what's going on. He called my phone and he told me it's his baby. How could you lie to me like this? How could you lie to me about this?
Adam, I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, here we go, the lying. You're so full of shit.
Adam, what are you talking about?
What am I talking about? Octavia. It's his kid. You didn't even tell me.
I don't know what you're talking about, Adam. It's your baby. It's not his. He's lying to you. He's just in love with me, so he's lying. You should believe me. I'm your wife, Adam. How could you think I was lying?
I know you were sleeping with him, Octavia.
I'm not sleep with nobody, Adam. My God.
I may be old, Octavia, but I'm not blind. I see the way you look at him, the way you look at each other. I'm not stupid, Octavia.
You know, I'm not sitting and take this disrespect from you, Adam. I'm not gonna take it.
You don't see an issue with this, any of it?
Adam, it's your baby. My God, listen to me.
You know damn sure that's not my kid, Octavia. You know that. And you have the audacity to lie to my face like this? Do you think I'm an idiot?
Oh, so you quickly forget me and you meet, eh?
Oh, you're gonna bring that up? Really? Really? What does that have to do with this?
I don't know. You cheating on your wife to be with me? You're not exactly a saint. So all you're gonna treat me like this?
Oh, just screw yourself.
Daddy, where are you going?
Anthony, so you really had the nerve to call my husband. And you have the nerve to tell him about this. So what? You just try to destroy my life on purpose, see, Anthony? When you get the voice note here, more if you know one thing. You're dead to me, Anthony. Oh God, it's so nice to be home. Look at my house, man. Look how them dirty it up. Them blood car. Wait till me cuss them. Wait there. Nah, man. Me must just say things. This don't make no sense. This not... Day.